this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. For physical therapists, geriatricians, neurologists, and similar healthcare professionals, it is important to gauge the balance of certain patients, specifically for the following types of patients: those who are recovering from injuries that impact ambulatory capabilities, those with neurological disorders, those who are frail, those who have had their bodies compromised due to falling, and elderly patients. To gauge the balancing capabilities of their patients, these healthcare professionals must conduct comprehensive examinations on their patients, and these examinations involve the use of assessments, some of which that their patients perform certain actions to assess the risk of falling, and some are self-reports, conducted as interviews so they can discuss their confidence in being able to perform certain activities without losing balance. The sitting balance scale is the former. This tool is used mostly on patients who are non-ambulatory, frail, and have chronic conditions. As the name implies, it is used to gauge a patient's capability to maintain their balance while they are seated and performing certain activities. To use our free sitting balance scale, follow these steps. Download our sitting balance scale from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. You must prepare the following: a stopwatch, a 2-pound cup weight, pen, a 12-inch ruler, slippers, a disc or other stable object 3 to 3.5 inches in height, a clipboard, and a 15-inch by 15-inch by 15-inch phone. Once you have these materials ready, you can follow the procedure. Each activity will be performed by the patient while seated without support on a firm, sturdy surface, while their feet are in a weight-beating position unless otherwise specified on the sheet. Your patient only gets one attempt for each activity. Make sure to instruct your patient for each activity. Document each activity. Score according to the prompts for each activity. If the patient falls short of achieving a certain objective, score them accordingly. Here is a list of activities they need to do in order: sitting unsupported with eyes open, sitting unsupported with eyes closed, sitting unsupported with arms as levers, reaching forward with outstretched arms while sitting, picking up an object from the floor while sitting unsupported, placing alternate foot on a book or object 3 to 3.5 inches in height, reaching laterally with outstretched arms while sitting unsupported, turning to look behind over left and right shoulder while sitting, lateral bend to elbow when sitting, sit to stand transfers, picking up an object from the floor while sitting unsupported on foam. Each item can score anything from 0 to 4, scored according to each prompt, which you will see in our template. The higher the score, it indicates a higher level of functionality. Here is a sample of our sitting balance scale, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our sitting balance scale, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.